Are you tired of struggling with lash glue that just doesn't last? What if I told you there's a lash bond that can keep your lashes flawless for up to 72 hours? Let me introduce you to the best waterproof lash bond on Amazon, the GEMERRY Lash Bond and Seal. This incredible 2-in-1 formula combines both lash bond and seal in a single, easy-to-use tube. No more juggling multiple products. With an adjustable spiral brush, it lets you apply evenly, making it perfect for anyone, from beginners to lash pros. Now let's talk about staying power. The GEMERRY Lash Bond and Seal is designed for long retention, lasting 48 to 72 hours. So you can go about your day, worry-free, knowing your lashes are locked in place. Plus, it's waterproof, so even if you're caught in the rain or at the gym, your lashes will stay as stunning as ever. And for those with sensitive skin, this product is a game changer. Its gentle, alcohol-free, and cruelty-free formula ensures a comfortable wear without irritation. Whether you're using individual lashes, cluster lashes, or strip lashes, this versatile bond has you covered. Ready to level up your lash game? Give the GEMERRY Lash Bond and Seal a try and experience the difference. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more top-rated beauty tips.